A single mistake in a manufacturing drawing can lead to rejected parts, production delays, customer complaints, and wasted money. In manufacturing, a wrong drawing is often more expensive than a wrong part. Imagine producing 1,000 components based on an incorrect drawing. If a critical dimension is missing or incorrect, every part may become unusable. The result: scrap material, machine downtime, rework costs, delayed deliveries, and customer dissatisfaction. A small error on paper can become a major financial loss on the shop floor. Every feature should be clearly defined. The manufacturer should never have to guess. Dimensions alone are not enough. Tolerances define acceptable variation and ensure proper fit and function. The drawing must clearly specify the material to be used. Surface quality affects performance, assembly, and appearance. Special instructions help avoid assumptions and errors, such as deburr all edges, break sharp corners, apply coating, etc. Everyone must work from the latest version of the drawing. Accurate manufacturing drawings are the foundation of quality production. They reduce waste, prevent costly mistakes, and ensure that every part is made right at the first time. Remember, a good drawing costs minutes to create. A bad drawing can cost thousands to fix.